Let's see what it's like crossing the river. We're actually in the middle of it when it is very windy. Oh, that water's cold, and I do not have my spray skirt on. I didn't think it was going to be this bad out here. Oh, it's running right down my butt. Get my seat. Shit. Well, I'll be changing clothes when I get over here. And unfortunately, I have both pair of my long johns on. I'm gonna have to dry them out. Make a fire. Dry them out. Man, I can't believe that one. Sometimes you'll get a big wave out from nowhere. That was one of them, and I am not. Oh. Okay, now I am. As I say, I wasn't quartering the waves. I was kind of going side by side, but when they get taller than your kayak, you better start quartering them. This spot over here, this is where I found all my arrowheads in the past, besides the one I found today. But this was the first spot I ever discovered. And I mean, the first time I went out to look for arrowheads. I pulled out of the marina, looked across here, and I was like, oh, wow, that's a big cut hillside. Farmer's land over there. And that was one of the things that the guys talked about, how to find arrowheads. So I pulled over there, and right where my kayak pulled up, I seen broken rock from campfires. And I started looking, and I seen flint everywhere. And it just so happened that I lucked out and found a great spot. A very populated spot. And the one that I was at before today, it's not as good, but good. It's just there's more stuff here. A lot more remnants, whatever. Yeah, this is a river, not a lake, not the ocean. And by the way, the river is going to the right. The waves are coming at me from the right. So the waves are going up the river. Yeah, if I was to stop paddling, I'd be going upriver quicker than I can paddle down. Get out of this windbreak. There's a big curve in the river right here. And here shortly, I should be out of it. Getting better, but there's always a big wave that comes whenever you think it's getting smooth. All right. Now, we just need to find us a spot. I've been over here so much, but I've never thought about camping. There's not many flat spots. There is some up here to the right, so I'm gonna get close to the shore. Get close to the shore and paddle up the shore. Actually, that's not too bad right there. But see what we got down here. least that way in the morning, if it is same wind, the wind will be at my back when I go across at least. On my left side. I'm gonna go up here. This is all good. This is all plenty flat right here. Yeah, sun, there's a log. Sun right in the eyeballs. I just ate. I pulled up there at the ramp and I googled food, and there's this little mom's place type restaurant. Got me a double cheeseburger, and it was actually real hamburger. It wasn't a patty you buy and throw it on the grill or whatever. Man, it was good. Huge. And I got cheese fries with bacon bits on them, loaded. And that really filled me up. So, unless I get hungry, which I don't see how, I don't have to worry about dinner tonight. I like that a lot. Last time I was here, I seen a beaver in this little snag of logs here on the right. Looked like he was making a home in there. Might as well. You got a good foundation. If he is, he's gonna be upset that I'm here. By the way, coming up the side, I've only paddled on the right. That's how much the wind is pushing the left side of the kayak. This is where I was going to go, right here. Main reason, there's some flat spots. Second reason, there ain't much brush behind there, so I ain't gotta keep my eye out. Just gotta get in here. Yeah, that's a good landing. Where I don't get my feet wet. Okay, we're home for the night. Last night on my trip.